What's goody, my gang? And today, I don't know what we're gonna be doing today, but let's find something. I don't know why. I just will. Yeah, get started. I need to stop. So what we're gonna do? There's a chance that we might. Never mind. I have a video idea. So we're gonna be checking out the sky up there. Yay! So this is the sky update, and
Wait,
yeah,
what?
you can fly.
Whatever.
Kind of the whole point.
Wait, hold on.
Yeah, bro,
But
Bro, Liam, can you stand here first?
What's
it's
your
really
password?
cool.
Goober. I
Oh,
need your
I-
stance.
Someone
really
please
tough.
buy me some wings.
Okay. There you can just fall down to the
Oh,
sky.
frick. I forget.
Why is there two
Bro,
tech
wait a
webs?
minute.
Oh wait, no, there's not. It's not even a
Bro,
tech web.
can you please give me some wings? Can someone at least give me a pair of wings?
I don't
Like,
own
give you wings.
Okay, so
If you know what I mean.
Oh my lord, that's why.
Rebel.
so what these clouds do, and if you step on them, they like for a long time they disappear. Like those blocks there in Mario, I think, where you just step on it and fall. Step on it for a couple seconds, and you just. Right now, what I'm doing. Fastest. Why I'm broke? Because I just am. And it's really sad. You guys should never be broken either. Hi. Donate gang.
Someone please buy me some wings.
Thank you.
Someone please give me wings. Like,
Alright, should I go skydiving? No, I'm not gonna go skydiving. Over here.
please give me wings.
Yo, no, find me.
There's probably
Yo,
a
dude, you want wings? Sorry, no.
Dude, you need wings.
I'm not speeding.
and there's
I'm
probably.
not speeding. I am not speed.
I'll take some wings. We're gonna
Hold on. Here, let me come. Wait, stay still. Here.
fall off.
Hey, bro, hold on. Take some wings.
Am
Yo,
I
thank you, bro.
dead?
Back. I gotta say something though. You,
What?
can you stand? Okay, stand right here real quick. Okay, stand right here. Stand right here.
No.
Give me wings.
No.
I don't have any.
No,
I
I
will
was
not.
gonna you off.
Yeah, I know. I'm recording a video right now, and you're in it. Just so you know.
There's so much people that are rough.
You okay? You with the pink wings. You with the pink wings.
You can't buy.
I'm gonna die because I'm gonna run out of cotton.
You with the pink wings.
You can't buy wings. You know that.
These are some over here.
No,
I
you
don't
can't
know.
buy wings. Look,
Thing in
over
this
here.
space
It helps
that
you
I.
fly.
Whoa.
And it's one of my favorite things.
Hi. Hello.
Ah, how does this?
Okay.
Hey, it makes
Doesn't show
me-
who's by,
Yes.
but hello.
Nobody will find me.
I just saw. Hold on. You guys might be able to see it
I'm up there.
if I can find my camera.
Yeah, I'm not going.
Back. Alright, I think you guys can see it. I don't know. Yeah, it says hi.
This game is too easy. Nobody even can.
Whoa. Okay. These houses. It's just like,
Someone please.
houses are so tiny, getting so annoying. Make
Yeah.
that, please.
Actually,
Oh.
can I
Ow.
have wings? You, Mr. Pink Wings. Pink Wings.
Mr. Pink Wings. Oh my god.
Can I
That's
have your
really
wings?
fast.
Can I have your wings too?
Okay. Oh, okay.
No, it's no chance.
I have 5 minutes, but okay. I fell. Oh my god.
Can I
I suck at this game.
Yeah, sounds
Okay.
good. Some.
Oh, and I'm in. Okay.
Though you
So
be careful. Hey,
guess we're gonna go watch some skydiving.
Okay, just
Let's go.
pretty easy.
Three.
Please give me wings. Yeah, it took me 30
Oh my goodness. There's
Can I take your camera?
It's irrational if I do it over and over. I just did that once.
no.
Okay.
I've seen you do it multiple. Try to do it multiple times.
Where's my camera?
And
Okay.
that's
But I only
Might
did
have
it to you
died.
once.
Someone please
We don't talk about it. Alright.
no, you did not.
Why
You
did that
it
just
multiple.
go fly?
Is there any other labs in this server?
Are you
No,
looking for
I
a lab?
just said I
Someone
can.
please give me wings.
Yo,
I
hold
need
on.
wings
Prop
so
bundle.
bad.
How did I do it?
Prop
Oh,
bundle.
no,
Are
I
you
don't
well
have
informed
Frog
on the rules and all that crap?
Who has wings? Can
Bundle. I don't
get
have the frog
wings?
bundle.
No. Are you good with the rules and all that? Like, you know, like all the rules and all that stuff?
Bro, he's just
Uh.
mad because I tagged him.
No.
Yeah. I
No.
guess.
Some dude, where is he? Red Lizard. I hit him off the ship with flare guns,
him.
and you reported me.
Oh.
That's kind of sad.
Because I tagged you. I saw you.
No, not you. It was
Alright.
that
I'm
guy
sorry.
right
I'm
there,
sorry.
Red Lizard.
I'm sorry for the
I'm sure
misunderstanding.
that
I'm
Tech
sorry.
Web is
Red
doing
Lizard.
okay.
Sorry.
I'm sorry.
I'm not gonna report you now. There's no never report somebody for hitting you off in the sky now.
Because I don't have. Bro, I'm doomed.
Alright,
That's
so
low-key banned.
It's game over.
the
It's
new
game over.
things are stairs. And they added half slabs.
Me, Bumbleclap.
They added longer half slabs.
Yeah.
What else did they add? They added these 2x2 cloud, 4x4 cloud, and one times one propeller. Omni boost, directional booster, stuffing ring, air grabber, and y'all know the wings. Alright, so what is this?
Alright, everybody.
Quack.
Okay.
Okay.
Well, that's the.
Oh wait, yeah, they added the cactuses. So I think they added a new rail, I guess. Right?
Nah, I'm not gonna hurt you.
So yeah, that's really cool. Okay. Okay. Oh my God. Okay. So bye.
Ow.
Why are you guys still here? Ow! Get out! Stop watching it. I'll give you corn. Please, beg you. Okay, actually, good.